CD Bluebird, followed on after the Foxes that Annie Keating is singing, and that album of hers, Make Believing, will be released in the new year in January. We like both of them. We have a delightful note in from Florida, from Douglas Stenson, who says, Mr. Emerson, I recently bought an internet radio tuned to BBC Radio Scotland, and there you were. What a pleasure it was to meet you again after all these years. I listened to the afternoon programme religiously during the early 90s when I retired from the U.S. Navy. I became the naughty manager of the U.S. Naval Base at Edsall in Scotland. I remember when I first heard the show so many years ago, a treat it was to find someone who shared my eclectic taste in music. Your time slot, albeit a bit late for a man of my years, had I still been living in Scotland, suits me to a T. And I remember here in the villages in Florida, I come home from a leisurely afternoon round of golf, tea, or lawn bowls. Splendid. Turn on the show, make my tea, and have an enjoyable meal while listening to some fine music. Life is good. Long may your show air. Sincerely, Douglas.